When the accident happened, it was when the winter season started. We gathered here in the office, talked about what was going to be happening that day. We were doing plant maintenance, trimming out weeds and debris from the road on 395 heading southbound. As we were coming to an end, I think it was our lunchtime, we were heading back to the office. We started putting everything inside the trailer, taking all the trash and everything inside. We had one of our coworkers backing up the trailer. We had 3 other on the ground, including myself. Out of nowhere, a vehicle came from the northbound and just crossed the entire highway, and I got first hit, coming at 45 to 50 miles an hour.
Because you were standing here ish. Well, right there.
Yeah, well, when I got hit, I was standing on the sidewalk, and then somehow I ended up on the gravel. I got sent out flying, and after that, my eyes went shut. I just saw basically, just black, basically. Couldn't open my eyes. Had to get some grasp of air in order to turn myself on my stomach and kind of like pull myself out of the accident, basically. I don't even know which direction I was heading to. Just try to get myself away from there, so I was just dragging myself to the floor. And then what I remember is one of my coworkers, he jumped off the trailer from where he was, and got to me, flipped me over on my back, and put his hand on my neck. So in order I don't break any more bones or get a spinal injury. Minutes later, the ambulance came in and took me over to Richland. The morning after is when I got flown over to Harborview in Seattle. I had a cut on my hip, a cut on my elbow. I had a fracture on my wrist, a fracture on my shoulder. I had my eyelid split open. Part of my skin on my forehead was also flipped open. Probably by the second or third day when I was able to open them up, at least one of my eyes. I had my mom take a picture of me, and so I could see myself. Yeah, I didn't see none of that. The first 4 to 5 days I couldn't walk. Finally started taking baby steps. Felt good relief finally being able to stand up and take a shower. That was one of my things that made me feel good, at least. One of the fears, being blind, paralyzed, not being able to come back to at least where I'm at right now. It's just a miracle that I'm alive. Till this day, I still have some issues here and there with getting my eyes completely shut. Got told by my doctor that it's kind of like when I sit up, it's the gravity pull that pulls it down, but when I'm on my side, it's kind of open. I'm still in the process of determining if I'm be getting either plastic surgery. They're waiting for like 9 months out, so next December, to take another look at it and then determine what kind of route to take. The fear I have is maybe not coming to my complete self. I just wish I didn't have the scars, the facial ones at all. But it's what they call the warrior scars. It's just pushing through with it and getting used to it. When I got home, my mentality shifted to a different set. It started thinking not only about myself, but about my surroundings. Kind of put that alert on me now, so it's different. All right, never think it could never happen to you. I should have thought that way before. Now I don't. Everybody needs to pay attention to their surroundings, do their job, and let the people in the road or in the highway, such as ourselves, do their job safely.